First, click Go to Fly. Then click the bottom left arrow, then GPS Follow. Now the drone will follow the phone. Now I'm gonna show you me and my father riding our bikes with the drone following us. So when you're doing something like this, make sure you have your drone high up in the air so you don't hit any obstacles like trees or anything like that.
No, my drone is HK33. It is broken. It is broken. Bro, me, my drone. It's HK33. It's broken.
Yeah, so make sure that doesn't happen. Yeah, also make sure that your drone is facing you guys. For example, if you have it really high, you can make it point downward and from there record a large area and make sure it's pointing you so you can record yourself. Make sure it's not too high or too low. So at first, this YouTube channel, I was never going to create it, but I had to for a science fair project. So now that I have it created, I might as well start posting videos, and that's why that random science fair video is in my channel. This is a video of my drone. I call it Red because on the packaging it says Reddery. And this channel might mostly be gaming because that's what I like. I like Minecraft and all of that stuff. I'm friends with a few other YouTubers, so I will list their channels and maybe I can make a YouTube video with them. But that's it. These are just more shenanigans. And that's it for the video. I hope you like it. Goodbye.